Dropped your tablet? Don't panic. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to replace a cracked tablet screen yourself. You'll need a heat gun, plastic pry tool, suction cup, and your replacement screen. Always power off the device first. Heat the screen edges gently, then use a suction cup and pry tool to carefully separate the broken display panel. Connect the new screen's cables, align it carefully, press it into place, then power on to check for full responsiveness. Protect your screen with a tempered glass protector and soft case to prevent future cracks. DIY saves time and money.